Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Creating high-quality product content for online stores, social media, and global markets usually requires photographers, designers, video editors, and multiple creative tools. But for many businesses, the biggest challenge is not just creating one video. It's producing enough high-quality content to launch products, test different creatives, and reach customers across different markets. That's where Wizstar comes in. It combines AI-powered product image creation, video generation, creative analysis, and multilingual localization into one workspace, helping businesses create professional marketing content faster and more efficiently. Whether you're launching new products, managing an online store, or creating content for clients, Wizstar helps simplify the entire production process. You'll find the registration link in the description below. Now, let's get started. After logging in, the interface is very straightforward. From product images and videos to localization and creative tools, everything is organized in one place, making it easier to start creating right away. From product images and videos to localization and creative tools, everything is organized in one place, making it easier to start creating right away. Let's start with one of the most useful features for e-commerce sellers: product image. When launching a new product, professional product images are essential, but traditional product photography often requires studios, photographers, designers, and long production cycles. With Wizstar Product Image, you can upload a single product image and generate professional product display images within seconds, without needing a studio or designer. For this example, I'll upload my product image, choose the settings, and let Wizstar create different product visuals automatically. One of the biggest advantages is product consistency. Wizstar keeps the product details unchanged while allowing you to refresh the entire scene, background, and presentation style. For example, you can instantly switch between different environments, create lifestyle product shots, generate clean white background images for Amazon listings, or prepare promotional materials for platforms like TikTok and DTC websites. Once product images are ready, the next step is turning them into engaging marketing videos. AI product video traditionally requires video production teams, scripting, shooting, and editing. Wizstar simplifies this process by helping businesses transform product assets into ready-to-use promotional videos. After uploading product images and selecting the desired settings, Wizstar analyzes the product details and creates marketing scenes that match the product category. The AI preserves important product features while generating dynamic visuals, helping reduce unwanted changes and maintain consistency throughout the video. Whether you're creating product showcases, social ads, or promotional campaigns, product-to-video allows businesses to produce more content variations without investing additional production resources. After rendering finishes, the complete promotional video is ready to use. Another feature worth highlighting is video reference. For brands and creators, finding the right creative direction can take a lot of time. Instead of starting every campaign from scratch, Wizstar allows you to use existing reference videos as inspiration and transform those creative ideas into new marketing content. The platform analyzes the reference video's structure, visual style, and storytelling approach, then applies those creative elements to your own product. With support for multiple advanced AI models, including Seedance 2.0 and Kling 3.0 Omni, creators can choose different models based on their desired visual style and creative needs. Seedance 2.5 integration will also be available soon. This gives businesses more flexibility to explore different advertising styles, create more engaging marketing videos, and test multiple creative ideas without spending days planning each campaign.
Look at this finish, the structure, the stitching, pure boardroom confidence. A full suit jacket fits easily, and there's still space for everything else you need. The structured build keeps its shape, and it carries like a leader walks into a room. If you want to elevate your professional image, add this to your cart now.
The final feature I want to demonstrate is video translation. For businesses expanding internationally, creating separate videos for different markets can be expensive and time-consuming.
Drink in luxury. Introducing our intensive recovery serum. Formulated with our exclusive bioactive complex, it penetrates deep to repair, renew, and reveal a radiant, youthful glow.
Wizstar helps brands localize their existing content by translating videos into 75 major languages. Instead of producing robotic translations, the dialogue is adapted into natural, fluent speech that feels more suitable for local audiences.
Deine Haut aufsaugt Luxus. Hier ist unser intensives Erholungsserum. Mit unserem exklusiven bioaktiven Komplex dringt es tief ein, repariert, erneuert.
The translated voice and facial movements remain highly synchronized, with lip movements matching the new language to create a more authentic viewing experience. This makes it easier for e-commerce brands to reuse their existing marketing videos, reach customers in different countries, and scale global campaigns without recording the same content repeatedly. If you're looking for a faster way to create professional e-commerce content without switching between multiple tools, Wizstar is definitely worth exploring. New users can start with free credits, and the first subscription starts at $18. Subscribers can also experience 30 seconds of e-commerce agent video generation. The registration link is available in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.